tout moun, bienvenue sur NNT Vibes. Vidéo aujourd'hui c'est Kijan moi mette clipping dans Cheve. On commence par laver Cheve parce que il va être propre du tout avec un conditioner et puis après ça pour me passer dans l'autre étape qui c'est installation clipping dans Cheve.
This one I got to do the job, I know get time, I that cover my face, calling me that biggie man, we do the
Moi utiliser un cheveux bouclé noir naturel qui sorti dans UL Beauty et ça c'est un 10 inch.
Say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to do I'm way. Plenty so far we face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want jump life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the land. You tell me what's it go? You want go? All the money.
Ok, à cause des bagages d'aide, donc on est obligé à lever à chaque fois pour me regarder dans le miroir qui j'en derrière sorti. Donc pourquoi j'aime moins il est gens derrière, c'est pour y avoir pour filmer ça en regarder. Ouais. Ok, on se regarde derrière, on retire ça parce que moi dans ça, donc on est obligé de descendre ça plus bas que j'en ai mis tout à l'heure. Donc on mettre un petit genre picolé. Est-ce que je vais mettre un petit? On va mettre un petit pour couvrir comme ça et puis après ça on va mettre. Je me sentais pareil. Je vais mettre un petit petit. Non, je vais mettre un petit petit. Comme ça. Même ici. Je vais mettre dedans, ça va être là. Je me sentais pareil encore.
Take a look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, where's me out of fear? You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough?
Et puis, hair milk là, et puis là, just ouvrir. Puis, je vais passer mousse là-dedans, just pop out. I don't know si c'est le sens. Yeah. Demain matin pour le résultat. I don't know si je ne sais pas si c'est la caméra, mais je ne sais pas si c'est la réalité, est-ce que couleur graine.
See how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how.
The last one, but after, before that, on fait juste. Ages.
We wake up and then we make love. It makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert.
This one I bet you will ja. Me I no get time, da. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man we do da. What's it gonna? Jiwa come, all depend. The girl them ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depend. The girl them ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commendate. So anything when they do, I they try to do I'm way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. From my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them ride the whip, I know be die for nothing. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them ride the whip, I know be. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night, 4 shows, I'm juggling. Roll like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shara Shinapella, that's my bro, man.